In this video, we are going to look on how to withdraw from Zengo to bank account. Open up your Zengo wallet, tap on More, then tap on Sell. You can choose any of these options. I will choose Ramp for this video. Enter the amount and select which crypto you want to withdraw. Then tap on Proceed. Type your email address. Tap on I agree terms of service and privacy policy. Then tap on Proceed. Type the confirmation code which you received on your email address. Once you type in the confirmation code, you will get verified and then you can withdraw money to your bank account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.